Hello everyone, it's Elle from gmailfiend once again. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to CC someone in Gmail. So if you guys didn't know, CC means carbon copy. So by using that option, then you should be able to send a copy of the email to another person who isn't the main recipient of your email. So what you have to do is, of course, to compose a message. So over here you can see the two field, so you can type in any email. So for example, the main recipient for this one would be so this is my personal account, and I want to CC myself again. So let's just type in this one. So as you can see over here, I'm just the secondary person who received the email, and the main recipient is this account. So yes, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for more.